What if I told you that the future isn't coming? It's already here, and it's being powered by something that you might not even understand yet. Something that's changing everything, from the way we work to the way we live. We're talking about AI. But this isn't the science fiction AI you see in movies. This is something far more powerful and far more subtle. And it's probably running on the device you're watching this on right now. You've heard the headlines, you've seen the flashy demos, but what is it really? And more importantly, what will it mean for you in 2026 and beyond? Get ready, because in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you the truth about AI. And by the end of this video, you'll see why the biggest changes are still to come and how you can be ready for them. What is AI? Let's get down to the basics. So what exactly is AI? Simply put, artificial intelligence is the ability of a computer program or machine to think and learn like a human. Imagine you're teaching a toddler to recognize a dog. You show them pictures of different dogs, big ones, small ones, fluffy ones, short-haired ones. Eventually, the toddler learns to identify a dog on their own. AI works in a similar way, but on a massive scale. It analyzes huge amounts of data, learns from it, and then makes its own decisions or predictions. It's not about creating a robot with a mind of its own. It's about creating intelligent systems that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, like problem solving, understanding language, or recognizing objects. Think about your voice assistant, the recommendations you get on Netflix, or the spam filter in your email. All of these are examples of AI in action, working behind the scenes to make your life easier. How does it work? To really understand AI, you need to know about its 3 core components. Think of them as the building blocks. First, you have machine learning. This is the most common form of AI today. It's the learning part of the process. Instead of being explicitly programmed for every possible scenario, a machine learning model is fed data. It finds patterns in that data and then uses those patterns to make predictions. For example, a machine learning model can analyze thousands of images of cats to learn what a cat looks like, so it can then identify a cat in a new, unseen photo. Next is natural language processing, or NLP. This is what allows machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. When you talk to Siri or Google Assistant, you're using NLP. It's how these systems can translate your spoken words into commands, or how a chatbot can respond to your questions in a way that feels natural. Finally, we have computer vision. This is the science of teaching computers to see and interpret the world. Self-driving cars use computer vision to identify pedestrians, traffic lights, and other vehicles on the road. It's also used in facial recognition software and in medical imaging to help doctors diagnose diseases. What's next in 2026? So where's all this leading? In 2026, we're not just going to see more of the same. We're on the verge of a new era. The promise is a future where AI isn't just a tool, but a partner. Imagine a doctor using an AI to analyze medical scans, catching diseases years before a human eye ever could. Imagine an AI helping architects design buildings that are more energy efficient and sustainable. Or imagine a personal AI assistant that doesn't just answer your questions, but anticipates your needs and manages your life with incredible efficiency. These aren't just ideas anymore. They're the next wave of innovation, and they're closer than you think. And here's the biggest promise of all. This technology isn't just for experts. It's becoming more accessible than ever before, and you can be a part of it. But there's a secret to staying ahead in this new world, a single crucial detail that most people miss when they think about AI. I'm going to reveal it in just a moment, but first, if you've been fascinated by what you've seen so far, and you want to truly understand how to harness the power of AI, there's one simple thing you can do right now. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. By joining our community, you'll be the first to get access to our upcoming deep dives into specific AI topics. We're talking about everything from how to use generative AI for creative projects to the ethical dilemmas you need to be aware of. Now, for that secret I mentioned, the one crucial detail, it's that the most important element of AI is not the code or the algorithms, but the human curiosity that drives it. Your willingness to learn, to adapt, and to question is what will truly set you apart. So, Don't let the future pass you by. Subscribe to stay informed. And if you want to see an incredible real-world example of AI in action, check out this video next. It's a jaw-dropping look at how one AI system is solving a problem that has baffled scientists for years. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.